Okay, another quick review. Just got this in the mail today. It's another inexpensive impact wrench that I ordered from eBay. As you know, I did a review on a Hans impact that was rated, I think, at 580 Newton meters last week. And it wouldn't even take my lug nuts off. So I sent it back and ordered this one. This is a ZISS, ZISS, Z-I-S-S, impact wrench. Now, I ordered the Day Plus some time back. Did a review on that one as well. And this Day Plus stays in my tool bag. It's rated at 480 Newton meters, and it has been awesome. It has handled every job I put on it. The Day Plus kit was $84 on eBay. Came with 4 sockets, carrying case, strap, and all of that good stuff. This one right here is the ZISS that I just ordered this week after returning the Hans impact wrench. Here we have it. Give me just a second here. Get this thing straight. Okay, like I said, this is the ZISS. It's supposed to be rated at 800 Newton meters. That's what caught my attention about it. And it was only $54. Half-inch drive, 20-volt battery, and rated at 800 Newton meters, which is the equivalent, according to Google's conversion, of 590 foot-pounds. It comes with one 22 mil socket. Of course, I have my own socket set, so I'm not worried about that. So what I'm going to do is get ready and see if it's charged right out of the box to be able to test it. And it's indicating that it's not. So what I'm going to have to do is charge it up, and we'll see if it'll take my lugs off. Okay, I readjusted the battery, and the battery is showing that it has a full charge. So I'm going to get my sockets, and we'll see if it'll take these lugs off my car. Okay, this is my 2010 Honda Pilot, and it just so happens that the 22 mil socket that it came with is the right one. So here we go. 800 Newton meters, 590 foot-pounds of torque. Let's see if it'll take them all. One. There's 2. 3. 4. Wow. It's coming. I can see it moving. All 5 of those. And again, this is a ZISS. $54. I'm going to try the front ones. Okay, I tried these last week with that Hans that was rated at 540. It wouldn't budge them. So I'm going to try this ZISS rated at 800 Newton meters, and see what it does. This is straight out of the box. I haven't even charged it. This is not bad for 54 bucks at all. Hey. And just like that, all 5 of them. This is a keeper. For $54, I'll leave the link in the description.